Assalamualaikum dear students, welcome to your channel The Anatomy Canvas, and in today's class I am going to teach you the median nerve. So what is the root value of the median nerve, and what is its course is arm and forearm, and what are the branches. So here you can see the structure which I have highlighted over here. This is the median nerve. Here you can see all along, this one is the median nerve. So this median nerve arises, it has two roots from the brachial plexus. So this median nerve arises from the medial cord of the brachial plexus and lateral cord of the brachial plexus. Then this median nerve leaves the axilla and enters the forearm in upper part. You can see over here its relationship to the brachial artery. So here you can see in upper part of the arm, this median nerve is present in a lateral relationship to the brachial artery. In other words, the brachial artery is present medially and the median nerve is present laterally. So here you can see this is present. Then in the middle of this area, this median nerve crosses the brachial artery and then it comes to lie medial to the brachial artery till the capital fossa, where the median nerve in the capital fossa, it is the most medial component of the capital fossa. In the capital fossa, it passes deep to the pronator teres muscle between the two heads of the pronator teres muscle. And here you can see this one is the brachial artery, and here you can see in blue color which I have highlighted, this area is the median nerve. So its relationship in the cubital fossa, you can see that it is medial to the median nerve. In the lower part of the arm, here you can see, so first I will highlight for you the ulnar artery. Just a minute. I will remove the pronator teres first. Now you can see the ulnar artery. And I will also again highlight the median nerve over here. So here you can see the ulnar artery, which is the branch of the brachial artery, and here you can see this one is the median nerve. So in the upper part of the forearm, here in this area you can see initially this median nerve is present in a medial relationship to the ulnar artery, then it crosses the ulnar artery. This one is the ulnar artery and this one is the median nerve. So this median nerve crosses the ulnar artery and here it comes to lie between the two muscles, this flexor digitorum superficialis and flexor digitorum profundus. So it is present in between these two muscles, and then it in the lower part of the forearm, here you can see that this median nerve is present in a relationship to the tendon of the palmaris longus muscle. In this area, this is related to flexor carpi radialis and the flexor digitorum superficialis. Then it is present in relationship to the tendon of the flexor palmaris longus. Then it enters deep to the flexor retiniculum, passing through the carpal tunnel and enters into the palm where it is supplied the muscles of the hand. So the different branches, first of all, as it is passing through the arm, it gives arterial or vascular branches to the brachial artery. Then in upper part of the lower part of the arm, here it gives a muscular branch to the pronator teres muscle. Then it goes downward, and in the middle part where it is lying on the flexor digitorum profundus, it is in relationship to the medial artery as well. And here it gives off different branches to all of the muscles of the flexor compartment as well as to thinner muscles of the hand. So this nerve is very important. It supplies all of those muscles which are controlling the coarse movements of the arm. Forearm and the hand. It is main nerve supply of the flexor compartment and the thinner muscle. So this nerve is also called the labral nerve. Again, a quick revision: two cards from medial root from median cord, lateral root from the lateral cord. It is present lateral to the brachial artery. The middle part, it crosses the brachial artery, comes to lie on medial aspect. In the capital fossa, it is most medial component. Then it is in relation to the ulnar artery, which is a branch of the brachial artery. Then it crosses the ulnar artery. Here is the ulnar artery, this one, and this one is the brachial artery. And in the forearm, it lies deep to the flexor digitorum superficialis and over the flexor digitorum profundus. It is present in between these two muscles. Lower part of the forearm related to flexor carpi radialis and flexor digitorum superficialis, and in this area this nerve is related to the tendon of the palmaris longus muscle. It then passes deep to the flexor retiniculum to passing through the carpal tunnel to enter into the arm, into the hand where it supplies the thenar muscle. So that's all about the median nerve. Thank you very much for your attention. Allah Hafiz.